Global stocks sink on trade worries. Oil mixed. A man looks at an electronic board displaying stock prices at a brokerage house in Beijing. Monday, June 25, 2018. Asian stock markets fell Monday and oil prices gave up some of their gains after Chinese regulators freed up extra money for bank lending amid a trade dispute with Washington. AP photo, Andy Wong, Beijing. AP, global stock markets sank Monday and oil prices were mixed amid simmering worries about U.S.-Chinese trade tensions. Keeping score, Germany's DAX fell 1.3% to 12,414 and London's FTSE 100 gave up 1.4% to 7,575. France's CAC 40 shed 0.8% to 5,343. On Wall Street, the future for the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.7% and that for the Standard. Asia Day, the Shanghai Composite Index fell 1.1% to 2,859.34 and Hong Kong's Hang Seng lost 1.3% to 28,961.39. Tokyo's Nikkei 225 shed 0.8% to 22,338.15 and Seoul's Kospi was flat at 2,357.88. Sydney's U.S.-China tensions. The Wall Street Journal reported the Trump administration plans to impose curbs on Chinese investment in American technology companies and high-tech exports to China. The newspaper, citing unidentified sources, said the initiatives were aimed at preventing Beijing from moving ahead with plans to develop global competitors in technologies including biotech and electric vehicles. That follows President Donald Trump's threat to hike tariffs on Chinese imports worth up to $450 billion over complaints Beijing steals or pressures foreign companies to hand over technology. Meanwhile, the impact of new tariffs was made clear by Harley-Davidson, which said it would move some production out of the U.S. because of tariffs the EU has imposed in retaliation for U.S. duties on steel and aluminum. China lending. Beijing freed up about $100 billion for additional bank lending in a move financial analysts said might help reassure investors rattled by trade tensions with Washington. The cut in the amount of money banks are required to hold in reserve, the second this year, is one of a series forecasters had expected before the dispute over China's trade surplus and technology policy erupted. The central bank said the move is aimed at facilitating debt-for-equity swaps meant to help clear away a backlog of non-performing bank loans owed by state companies. Analysts take Zhang Yipan of IG says that stock markets are shrouded in the gloom of trade tensions. China's latest reserve ratio reduction, while expected, serves as a counterbalance to the soft sentiment. Week ahead, the United States is due to report quarterly economic growth on Thursday. On Friday, Japan and South Korea report monthly factory output and the European Union releases inflation figures. Energy benchmark U.S. Crude gained 33 cents to $68.91 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange amid questions over OPEC's ability to ramp up production, as it said it would last week. The contract jumped $3.04 to $68.58 on Friday, when OPEC made its announcement. Brent crude, used to price international oils, dropped $1.06 to $74.49 per barrel in London. It gained $2.52 the previous session to close at $75.32. Currency, the dollar declined to 109 yen and 58 cents from Friday's 109 yen and 97 cents. The euro gained to $1.1697 from $1.1657. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.